Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I know the background looks a little bit different. I am back home in New York, so I didn't even really like set nothing up yet. I'm literally just standing by my old setup. I kind of miss this setup though, I'm not going front. Hopefully I don't look too washed either because this light is really bright. Anyway, so I just wanted to give a quick life update. I'm not even sitting, oh my god. So before I do that, I just straighten my hair. Let me get comfortable with y'all because what is going on? I just straightened my hair from Nadula, and I just actually installed this. I'm gonna add the link to the video of me initially installing this wig. This is a glueless wig. All I used to like lay down the sides was Got2b spray because free spray. I don't have time. I don't feel like putting no glue because my next install I'm gonna put some glue, but this one I'm not gonna put no glue. But yeah, so I have a 360 frontal with 3 bundles of 28 inches, and it looks pretty good. I wish I could see like the whole thing. I got on like a whole dress. I look a little cute or whatever, but the hair's still fresh. I think, what day did I install this? I think I installed this probably like 5 days ago. Probably like 5 days ago, and I've been like spraying, unspray, like, you know, stuff like that. So if y'all want the details to this hair, make sure y'all let me know, and I'll be sure. Well, I'm gonna add it regardless, but I'm just saying if y'all want the details down below. Anyways, quick like the update because y'all is fiending. All right, hold on. I get that I gave y'all a video, but everybody, literally that's all people talk to me about, this whole surgery thing, and it's like, okay, I'm not gonna do y'all like that. I'm gonna give y'all all the tea. Like, I'm not gonna miss out on nothing, but I'm still healing. As y'all can see, I just moved. Like, I've been making announcements, I've been talking to y'all on Instagram, you know, posting my little stories or whatever. I didn't even post a picture of the body. The body is still healing. Like, y'all gotta give me some time. Like, y'all really gotta give me some time. I would not do that to y'all, I promise. So just be patient with me. Let me get back into the groove of things. I'm just at the point where I'm starting to go out and stuff, trying to get back to, you know, normal programming. I'm still like having some type of tightness and a little bit of, not pain, but really like soreness and tightness. Like, I'm still, you know, a little fragile. I could do stuff, my butt is soft, but my like torso area is like really tight. So I'm just trying to adjust. Like, I'm just letting the body do what the body wants to do type of situation. Anyway, so yeah, I just moved back from Miami to New York. I'm about to get busy with the businesses and all that other stuff. I'm about to get crazy. I already got a lot of stuff planned, so I'm kind of excited. Everybody's like, oh, you back? I'm like, I'm back. They're like, so what's up? Like, I'm like, what's up? Like, let me get started. Like, let me just, I don't know. I feel like people think I'm gonna forget about them or just kind of try to quietly slide in and not say nothing. When the time comes, I'm gonna be loud as hell. I'm gonna make sure I announce everything. I'm not gonna miss nothing out or nothing. So y'all just gotta really, really, really be patient with me. Other than that, y'all, I don't know. Like, I don't know. And some people asking me like, oh, you happy to be back? Like, how you feeling? I'm feeling good. Everything is regular. I'm happy to be around my friends. I only been back since what? What's today? Today is Monday. I came back on Thursday. I came back on Thursday, and I already done seen nearly all my friends except for my best friend and my other friend Brittany and a lot of my other friends. But I seen most of my friends already. My cousin came with his friends yesterday. They popped out, whatever. We was sitting there chilling and stuff like that. I feel the love. I feel missed. I feel the love. I gotta go see my mom because I miss my mother. I ain't seen my mother yet, so I gotta go see my mom. I don't know. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna miss Miami because Miami's always a vibe. Let's not act like it's not. But Miami just wasn't for me at the moment. Like, I got places to be in life right now, and Miami was really secluding me from that, being I was so far away and there's so much opportunities for me in New York. So I don't even, it's not like I plan on really settling down here because I don't at all. As much as I want like to start a family in New York and keep up the tradition or whatever, Atlanta me, please, Atlanta me. Like, I don't want to really, you know, deal with that. I gotta hurry up, y'all, because that wind was bugging. I thought the hurricane started because I'm about to go out somewhere real quick. But I thought the hurricane started, y'all. I was like, wait, hold on. Oh, that wind is picking up. It's making me nervous. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, I gotta hurry up and go. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update. This video is not gonna be long. This video probably gonna be less than 10 minutes, less than 7 minutes, because I don't really have that much to say. But I did just want to give y'all this announcement so y'all can understand. Just be patient with me. Let me just do my journey, and I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want as long as y'all patient with me and give me what I want, okay? I gotta go, y'all. The storm is about to get crazy and I gotta be prepared. So anyways, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. I gotta go. And yeah, later, y'all.
Baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.